Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This video is about the documents you'll need to apply for a UK work visa. When you apply, you'll need to provide the following documents for a UK work visa. 1. Your certificate of sponsorship reference number. Your employer will give you this. 2. Proof of your knowledge of English. For example, IELTS, PTE, and so forth. 3. A valid passport, or document showing your identity and nationality. 4. Your job title and annual salary. 5. Your job's occupation code. Your employer will give you this. 6. The name of your employer and their sponsor license number. This will be on your certificate of sponsorship. If you don't have it, please ask your employer for a copy of your certificate of sponsorship. Now we look at other documents you might need. Depending on your circumstances, you might be asked to provide 1. Evidence that you have enough personal savings to support yourself in the UK, for example, bank statements, unless your certificate of sponsorship shows your employer can support you. 2. Proof of your relationship with your partner or children if they are applying with you. 3. Your tuberculosis or TB test results if you're from a listed country. 4. A criminal record certificate, if you're working in certain jobs. 5. Your UK PhD certificate, or your unique ECTIS reference number, formerly unique UK NARIC reference number. If your qualification is from outside the UK, you'll need to apply through ECTIS. 6. You'll also need to provide a certified translation, if your documents are not in English or Welsh. Okay, that's all for today. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more information on IELTS, PTE, UK work permits, Europe work permits, Canadian work permits, and for free IELTS training. Thank you for watching.